No, thank you so much for contact the company again. Today we have the present for you. The present for you today, the company charge only $1. Baje para poder que busque alineamiento. Téngala.
La tengo.
Bueno, ya cójala desde abajo. Se va a entrar desde abajo, ¿listo? Vamos, una. ¿Va bien? 1, 2, 3. Allá la entrada, entrela para allá. Aquí tenemos mucho espacio. Good morning, we are in Grand Fort area. We coming for finish this project. You can see this is very nice material. This is from Brazil, it's natural stone, super white. Everything look good. And we finish today this project, okay? The question, 3 inch and 3 inch or 2 inch. You have the other supply for the plumber? The
For the rest of the furniture?
or everything coming here?
Should go on there.
And maybe inside, no?
Okay, just 1 second. Might be on the.
You have other box or only that one?
Oh, there should be one more there.
Okay, yeah.
With it, not that? Yeah, no, it's in here though. Okay.
Okay, no problem. Need to go 2 inch, 2 inch. If you open this guy, depend the hole.
So yeah, the width. Okay.
Okay. No, this is, no, this is doesn't matter. I sometimes it's coming together, but this is separate, no problem. Yeah, and let me know sometimes it's coming together, it's only 2 inch. I recommend 3 inch. 3 inch and 3 inch. But that's to you like more open?
Maybe the white.
Oh yeah.
We're going for that.
Okay, no problem. It's for the center.
Like that kind of thing? Is that about 3?
Let me mark it 4 inch and we can see what happened. One is in the center, this is 4 inch and 4 inch center. Inch. Okay, we put it
I
A
see.
and A, yeah. 4 inches work?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
4 inch
it's
and
nice and wide
center.
sink, so yeah, perfect.
4 inch.
This is
Thanks.
nice, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you like? Okay. Thank you. Gracias. Okay, we are in Grand Fort area right now today. We finished this job today. And what do you think about for the company and for the project and the material too?
Wow, this is beautiful. We couldn't be happier that came to you guys. We found you guys. Your guys' pricing is amazing.
Thank you.
And friendly service, professional. It didn't take long for you guys to bring the product here, so I couldn't be happier.
Excellent, perfect. Okay, you recommend again?
100%.
Thank you.
I would tell everyone to come to you guys.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you for your business. Okay. Okay.
That's fine.
Y así llegamos al final de este episodio de Jorge Countertop. Espero que hayas disfrutado y aprendido algo nuevo sobre el fascinante mundo de las encimeras de piedra. Si te ha gustado este video, no olvides darle like y suscribirte a nuestro canal para no perderte ningún contenido. Además, activa la campanita de notificaciones para ser el primero en enterarte de nuestros próximos episodios. Por supuesto, me encantaría saber tu opinión. Déjanos un comentario aquí abajo si deseas ver más episodios o si hay algún tema específico que te gustaría que abordáramos. Gracias por acompañarnos hoy y hasta la próxima. Nos vemos en el siguiente episodio.